Bow Falls is one of Banff's icons. The trail begins gently, running alongside the Bow River with mountains watching over you. Fresh snow, frosted pines, and the river flowing quietly beside me. It feels like walking in a winter postcard. You'll spot miniature frozen falls along the trail, each one a preview of the powerful Bow Falls ahead. The trail starts to rise, and the stairs remind you you're earning the view. Every turn gives you another mini waterfall tucked between icy rocks. Follow the sound of rushing water, and the trail keeps rewarding you with these frozen gems. As you climb the last stretch, the roar of Bow Falls finally starts to reach you. Just a few more steps, and here it is, Bow Falls in all its winter glory, totally worth the walk.